Reading is the means to the inexhaustible treasure of human experience and exploration. It enlightens, empowers, and enables the mind, and makes anything truly possible. Let us explore how you can instill this vital skill in your little one. First, a question though. Does your child know the letters of English language? If not, teach your child the letters. Your child should be able to recognize both the uppercase and lowercase letters, and should be able to pronounce them correctly. When your child has acquired this prerequisite skill, you can begin with the training on reading. Children love stories, and they love pictures. Get a picture book and a pointer. While pointing at the first word in the story, ask your child to spell out the word. In the beginning, your child may get confused between lowercase b and lowercase d, lowercase p and lowercase q, and uppercase I and lowercase l. Explain the difference. They will get it sooner or later. Then you read out the word they have just spelt, and ask them to repeat after you. Do the same for all the remaining words in the paragraph. That is, they spell out, you read out, and they repeat after you. During the process, your child may ask what a word means. You can explain it. Remember, your child will not follow you perfectly. They will get distracted, and may ask related and unrelated questions. The key is to be patient, and draw your child back to the task. As your child continues with this process, after coming across a word 4 or 5 times, your child will begin to read out the word directly, without needing to spell it out. This happens because of pattern recognition. You can aid this process by asking the child, after they spell out a simple word for the 2nd or 3rd time, how the word is pronounced. Your child will learn some words quickly, and others slowly, based on the complexity of words, the frequency of their occurrence in the story, and what they stand for. It goes without saying that this process will strengthen your child's understanding of the letters. Go back to the beginning of the paragraph you have just completed. While pointing at the first word, read it out, and ask your child to say it after you. Repeat the process for all the remaining words in the paragraph. The purpose of this step is reinforcement. You can skip this step when your child's reading skill has developed well enough. Now, explain to your child what has taken place in the story, in the paragraph completed. Do this in a language the child finds convenient. This is the part your child will love most. Use your imagination, and make it as entertaining and spellbinding as you can. Your child is in it for the story. You can use your storytelling skills to make them want to continue, and to come back to it. Thus, you can use the 3-step method to complete paragraphs after paragraphs, and books after books. However, after a paragraph is completed, ask them if they would like to continue with the next paragraph. Do it only if they really like to. Don't worry about the amount of task completed in the beginning. It will gradually increase. Your child's reading skill will develop gradually, and it will definitely take quite some time. Be persistent and supportive until they become independent readers. You can motivate your child to become a habitual reader by telling about the many benefits of reading. Tell the benefits that matter to them. For example, tell them that, if they learn to read, they can discover where and how chocolates and toys are made. Also, you can employ a reward strategy that works for your child. Additionally, show them the movie Matilda. It has worked fantastically for me. My daughter not only loves the movie, but also wants to become like the reading genius Matilda. And, one more thing. As it may have already occurred to you, you can use the method to develop reading skill in any person above 3, and in any language. The method can also be applied on children younger than 3, provided that they possess pronounced cognitive abilities, which in some cases is true.